Hey guys, so guess what came in the mail today? This lady, and then this lady. So let's get unboxing. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, so this is from the LOL OMG series, series 3 actually, and this is Clas Prez. Box a little bit damaged. Yeah, I did order this from Amazon because here in SA we have literally got a limited amount of OMG dolls, and the ones we do have I think is from series 1. So this makes me very excited. So let's get unboxing. Is this part supposed to come out completely? Because I'm not sure and I'm struggling here. What the hell? Ah! Okay, I got it. So I think just pull it and then... Where's the doll now? Yeah, there we go. box in a doll. I think it's because it's maybe my first time doing OMG dolls, but yeah, there goes her phone. And yeah, she's beautiful, but epic fail. So I hope you guys have a good laugh at my video, and thank you for watching.